Hi. So I just have a quick tip. Sometimes you want to have the reverse of a mold. So I'm just using a little piece that's just lavender. And if I wanted the reverse of this, silicone will stick to itself. And so you need to have something that it won't stick to. So I'm just using Vaseline, petroleum jelly, to fill in the mold that I already have. So you just want to kind of get in there and coat it liberally, and then find a wipe that you can clean your hands off with, and then you want to take that some molding putty that you've already mixed, and you're just going to press it in to the mold and let it cure, and it won't stick to the Vaseline jelly, so you will be able to peel it off when it's cured. So I'm gonna let that cure, but I did want to show you that is how I made this resin shell. So I did the first part, just taking a regular shell, pushing it into the silicone mold, and then once that was cured, coated it with the Vaseline, and then took another piece of silicone and pushed it into the mold. So now when I go to make a copy, I can fill the bottom with just like a little bit of resin into the mold, and then take the top piece, push it in, and it makes the resin kind of well up and coat the side of the top piece. Hope that makes sense. So anyway, I'm going to go off and let that cure, and when it does, I will be back. So I'm back, and it seems like this top piece has cured. So once again, you're just going to pull it off. And again, because of the Vaseline, it doesn't stick. And so now you have the reverse of the mold that you made earlier. And so it's just nice because then you can get, you know, either the design popping up or pushing into whatever you're using, whatever kind of clay or project that you're using. So don't really want to wreck my polymer. Let me just pull off a little piece just to show you. And so here's the original. This is the hardest part, is getting the Vaseline off. So there's one. That's the original. And then this is the other direction. Kind of hard to see, still got globs of Vaseline in there. But anyway, you get the idea. So give that a shot. Hope it works for you. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Hi, I'm back. I wanted to mention something else. When you're doing the reverse, if you want to use it kind of almost like a stamp, you might want to pull it off the the other piece that you're molding it to, and try and smooth out carefully the edges so it kind of, you know, rolls down around the image so that you don't get the edge when you go to try to stamp it. So I did that with that one, and then this is the reverse of my little branch piece. So anyway, hope that helps. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.